What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today is an impromptu wash day. Didn't really want to wash today, but needed to. So I decided to break into some things that I have used before. I only used it once on my channel and hadn't used everything from the line. So I wanted to break back into it, and it is the MIELLE Oats and Honey line. I did use this in a collaboration with Sherry Berry DC here on YouTube. I'll leave that video here where we did use the shampoo, conditioner, and we used the smoothing balm with another gel. Today I am going to be doing a twist out, and I am going to be using the leave-in conditioner, which I did not get a chance to use last time, and the balm as the styler versus last time I used it as the leave-in, if that makes sense. So I wanted to give this a try, and I broke it out today, and I just want to get the products used up. So trying to use up my stash. So you guys know that I do put the leave-in in the shower, which is this, and this is a soothing leave-in conditioner. It says it's supposed to be for sensitive scalp. I don't have sensitive scalp. I just picked up the line because I was interested, and that's the conditioner of the leave-in. So it's very thin. So I was squirting in the shower trying to get it on my hair, but once I got it on my hair, it started to, like, if I squeezed my hair, it was like dripping out, squeezing out. So it ended up seeming like it was more in my hair than I thought it was. So be careful of that. So it's already in my hair. I can't place the scent. It says, I mean, it's called Oats and Honey, so I'm sure that's probably what the scent is supposed to be. It's okay. It's not my favorite. And like I said, I've had these for a while, so hopefully, I don't think it's bad, but hopefully the scent didn't change because of the longevity. This doesn't have much of a scent either. So if the scent is light, I'm gonna say that the scent is a light scent. So there you go. So this is the soothing balm. I went on and just applied it to my hair. I'm talking so much, I'm trying to get done, guys. I'm sorry, because it wasn't supposed to be a wash day, but I didn't show you the texture. So this is the texture of the balm. It's actually very light too. See how it spreads out? This is very much the consistency of a leave-in, so I will say that. Go ahead and put it on this. It's the consistency of a leave-in. This is the consistency to me more of, if this had a spray on it, it would spray out like, you know, some spray leave-ins that have a little bit of a thicker texture. That's what it reminds me of. So I'm gonna go ahead and just twist my hair up and see how these products work for a twist out. I did not use a deep conditioner today, guys. Y'all believe it? That is not usual for me. That's very unusual. But I'm trying to make this quick. So I just shampooed, I conditioned with the conditioner and detangled my hair. And I just let it sit for a bit. And then rinsed it out. And apply the leave-in. So, I mean, I didn't apply heat or anything to the conditioner. I was in the shower, you know, just Cotton, hush. I'm sorry, guys. My husband's cutting the grass, so you probably hear the lawnmower. Cotton's barking. But yeah, I just let the heat and the steam from the shower do what it needed to do with the conditioner. So we're gonna see. That's why I'm opting to twist today versus try to do a wash and go, because I didn't want, with me not deep conditioning everything, I didn't want to go and put some, you know, gel on my hair. So I'm doing this. AJ came home yesterday from college. He didn't stay here last night. Made me mad. I said, like, AJ, your first day home and you can't even stay with your mama for one day so I can get caught up. Honey, you know how they are. So he said he'd be home today, and he hadn't made it home yet. So I tell you, I guess I gotta wait to get my time with him. It's crazy. How many other mothers are like going through that? Got college kids, and they come home. You're waiting for them to get home from college, and I'm just parting this in a way where I won't have a middle part in my head. You're waiting for them to get home, and they get home, and then they still are gone. It's like they didn't even come home from college because they hanging out with all the friends that they hadn't seen for a while, because they're all at different schools and colleges and stuff. It's crazy. I'm like, what? So yeah, that's what I'm going through. I am doing these in, I call that medium sections. I don't know what y'all call it. Y'all might call it big. Y'all might call it little, who knows, but I'm just doing them in medium sections. So, all right, while I'm twisting, so this video isn't so long, let me talk a little bit about the product. So the soothing shampoo, like I said, I have used it before. All these products are supposed to be for sensitive scalp. They have the oats and honey in it. The shampoo is a nice shampoo. I do feel like it cleanses the hair, although it doesn't strip the hair, so it doesn't feel stripping at all, but it doesn't feel, I mean, I think it's supposed to be considered like a gentle shampoo, but I feel like it cleanses quite well for it to be a gentle shampoo. It's a clear consistency, so just a regular consistency of a shampoo, but it is clear, and there's not a lot to say about the shampoo. Y'all know how shampoos work. You put it in, you cleanse your hair, you rinse it out, and you repeat it if you need to. Then I went in with the conditioner. I really like the conditioner. It is very softening. It does have slip. You are able to detangle your hair with the conditioner. It just made the hair feel really good. The cuticles laid down, in my opinion. So I like that. I like the duo. If I didn't buy anything else from the line, I definitely would pick up the shampoo and conditioner duo. I think they work well together. Any tangles I had from the shampoo, the conditioner definitely got it out. There's the consistency of the conditioner. It comes out kind of thick. You see that? It's kind of thick, but it smooths out and just makes the hair feel really good. It doesn't really sit on top of the hair. I felt like it sank into my strands quite nicely. And like I said, it did have some slip, and I was able to detangle with it. So I enjoy both of those products. This is the balm. I'm not using a whole lot. I don't know how much I should use, but I'm trying not to use too much because I don't know how these work together, and I don't want to get any flaking. So yeah, then I put on the leave-in in the shower, and like I said, it was very thin. You kind of didn't feel like, it's funny because I could feel it more up here, but when I would put it on my parts under here, I didn't feel it as much, so I felt like I needed to add more. And then that's when I said it started to like drip out of my hair. So it's very milky. I think it does more than what you feel like it is doing initially when you first put it into your hair. Can't really talk on moisture and everything like right now because I'll have to see how my hair feels throughout the days to see if it has a lot of moisture. But initially it doesn't feel like a regular leave-in. It does. I'm gonna say this, it feels like a spray leave-in. It feels like a liquid leave-in is what it feels like. It doesn't make your hair feel like a creamy leave-in. Usually makes your hair feel like, you know, like you got something on it, like coated. It doesn't feel like that. It feels like you used a spray leave-in and you feel your hair basically. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. There are spray leave-ins that I like and that do what they need to do once they've been on the hair and sat on the hair a while. So like I said, I'll have more to say about it once my hair is dry and I've worn it out for a few days to see how the moisture holds up, especially since I didn't deep condition. So y'all remember that. I'm giving these two products a run for their money since I didn't deep condition my hair. So they're gonna have a lot of work to do. Okay? So after I applied the leave-in, I came up here and now I'm applying the balm. I showed you the texture of the balm and it feels good. It just feels like a leave-in cream. It doesn't, I mean, maybe a little bit thicker because you see it on my hair. It is, you know, turning white, but it doesn't feel like it has any tackiness to it. That's going to give it some hold. It doesn't feel real heavy. It doesn't feel oily. You know, like a butter, a twisting butter. It doesn't have that oil feel to it that you get sometimes. So, and that's not necessarily a bad thing for me because y'all know I don't like my hair to feel oily anyway, but I'm just trying to give you an idea of what it doesn't feel like. It just feels like a leave-in conditioner. So yeah, I am going to finish applying it to my hair. You see what I'm doing? I was gonna do flat twist out, which is probably what I should have done to get more definition since I'm not sure how this holds. But because I'm not sure if this is going to dry by tomorrow and I need to take my hair down tomorrow, which I don't normally take it down the next day. I usually wait a day and then take it down the following day, but I'm gonna have to take it down tomorrow. So I'm hoping that it dries, and if it doesn't dry all the way, because I have it in 2-strand twists like this, I can definitely use the RaeRae to dry it and stretch it a little bit if I needed to. Whereas if it was in flat twist, I wouldn't be able to do that. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay guys, that's it. I will be back when all the twists are in and I'll let you see what it looks like. All right guys, so I'm back and all the twists are in. Look like it's soaking in pretty good. So hopefully it'll continue to soak in and I won't have any flaking. These products feel very lightweight. I don't have any stickiness to my hands or anything. I like that. They just feel real lightweight and lotiony, like I can just rub the remainder in my hands. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to let these dry. Hopefully they'll be dry by tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna have to get my RaeRae out or later on tonight if it doesn't seem like they are as dry as I think they should be by tonight. I might sit under my hooded dryer for a little bit, but either way, I'll have to take them down tomorrow. So I'll let you know. I'll be back when it's dry and we'll talk about the products. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back. I've already started taking out my twist because I'm in a hurry and I wanted them to start to try to relax a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and separate. I might not be able to get all this done before I have to leave, but I do want to let you see what they look like. So they're very defined and they're soft. They feel moisturized. So yeah, I'm just going to separate because I gotta go. I gotta get out of here. Do have to go out into the elements, so I'll be able to come back and let you see how it held up being outside in the elements. So stay tuned for that. You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. all I can do for now. I'll be back. Okay guys, made it back, and this is my hair. So it held up pretty nicely. It is humid outside. It is getting ready to rain, but for the most part, it held up. It shrunk a little bit. It feels soft. It feels moisturized. So I think these two are a good combination as far as moisture and softness. It did define the hair. Of course, I have a lot of frizz because I was taking it down in a hurry. You saw that. It has a very light scent, kind of like a slight honey or oatmeal scent or whatever, or both. Yeah. So far, I'd say I would use it again, but of course I'll come back on day 3 to let you know how it held up. But initial thoughts, I think it's a great combination. So stay tuned for day 3. Okay guys, popping in to show you 3rd day hair using the MIELLE Oats and Honey Soothing Hair Balm and leave-in conditioner. So yeah, this is my hair 3 days later. There is some frizz, definitely some frizz, but I'm not mad at it because it makes it bigger and it gives it some texture. My hair is still very soft and still feels moisturized, okay? But I'm going to preface that moisture with saying that it is humid here and rainy. It rained yesterday. It's gloomy, getting ready to rain today. So with that being said, with the humidity in the air, it's definitely going to add some moisture to my hair, some hydration, and probably a little frizz, okay? Now, I will say that I feel a little bit of a right now I don't feel it as much, but yesterday when or day 1, because the first night I took my hair out, I retwisted it that evening to give it some stretch. And when I went to retwist it, I felt a little bit of a coating on the hair. So initially these do leave a slight coating, and I was like, I'm not sure if I'm going to care for this or not. But like I said, today I don't feel it as much, and I think that is because of the weather and the moisture that is in the air. Okay, so right now I like it. I don't have a whole lot to say about it. There's something that's left behind. I'm just not sure what it is, but it's not too bad. I can live with it. So this is my hair on 3rd day. I do feel like I need to wash it tomorrow just because of my schedule, not necessarily because it wouldn't last. So I don't know, I might be washing it tomorrow. If I don't, I will definitely leave a blurb to let you know how long it lasted. But if I do, then you guys see, you know, 3rd day hair. So I'm just going to play it by ear, but you can definitely see that there is a lot of definition left, and the softness and the moisture so far have held up for 3 days. And yeah, but I wanted to let you see how it looks. So let me know if you've tried these. If you have, leave your comments in the comment section below so we can learn from you. If you haven't and you plan on picking these up based on this review, let me know that as well. Let me know how you like this twist out and how you think it held up for 3 days. Leave all that in the comments. And yeah, guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.